I might need to switch up my outfit for tomorrow. So embarrassing. I'm embarrassing. I read somewhere that that was like the Pisces song off the album, and she's a Pisces, and I was like, kind of makes sense. So we're gonna just have a fun vlog. I was editing my last vlog, which honestly I might just turn into like a reel because I didn't love how it was working out, and I'm at the point where like I'm only gonna upload good shit on YouTube, like no lame shit, no shit that doesn't really matter, and integrating like vlog into thrift is most exciting for me because that's kind of what I've been doing on Instagram and such. So we're actually going to Olivia Rodrigo tomorrow. I'm so excited. Rachel assisted in getting me invited, and I'm just so excited. I also got a 30% off, no, sorry, 40% off email from Valley Village, which 40% off never happened. And we're gonna get in there. I actually have a pretty good idea of what I'm wearing tomorrow, but we can always adjust. There's also some things for my New York trip I wanna get, so it's just really good timing for this coupon, to be honest. And even though I shouldn't be here, I'm like, I'm gonna be here because it's 40% off, so let's go. These leopard coasters. I forgot my microphone. I'm a little confused as to why it's so quiet in here, but my only reason is maybe people thought it was closed because it is Good Friday today. I found a couple cute tops. They're nothing crazy, like they're not Olivia coated, but are these something? Wait, these are kind of cool. Kind of vibe, kind of not. Oh my god. I might need to switch up my outfit for tomorrow. Oh damn. Cute. I went over last time how I'm not a Disney adult, but like, that is kind of cute for a Florida trip. I just found this cool purple one, which I'll have to show you guys close up, but the sleepwear section is kind of going hard today. And if you didn't already know, at Valley Village, they're like mixing in slip dresses into like pajamas. Oh my god, like look at the rosies. So you gotta look in the one-piece pajama section. Guys, I know no one wants to do it, but as your thrifter sister, I need to advise you to look at the shorts now before they're very like sparse. We all know mini shorts are in. They're kind of cute. I've of course already forgot why we came here today, like what I'm looking for. That's why we make lists. Not what we were shopping for at all, but this is a fun dress. It's like the perfect, the back. I almost think I should hang on to it and give it to someone. Potential, but it might be too boxy biggie. I kind of want like a hybrid of this and a bomber, which I think I showed in my last one, if that video made it up. Jaw-dropping shoes. That's okay. With the dress. So we're gonna go through some things. The vibe is all over the place. I found these boots that, you know what? I don't think they're gonna ruin my sock. Anyways, let's just try them on together. Thank God, clean sock. I also found like so many number things that you guys know I've been looking for. So the men's section kind of popped off and I was afraid to look even deeper into it because I could just get carried away. I found this. I was once 29, so this cropped could be really cute. This USA Roots Olympic collection. This is old too. Okay, Roots, you know I love a Roots moment. That was in the women's section. It's Kona. Are you kidding? It's perfect, and it's crisp and it's white. That is so rare. I think I need to get these things. And these interesting panty things. The rest I'm just gonna get through quickly. If I try anything on, I'll film it on my phone and insert it here. I'm not gonna lie, guys, that was a good haul. I feel like I haven't had a haul like this with like a little bit of all my aesthetics in a while, but I'm really excited, and I might just be switching. I don't think I'm going to switch up my outfit for tomorrow, but I really like that long slip I got. It is very Olivia Rodrigo, but I'm sure I'll find like another reason to wear it. Maybe I'll bring it to New York because she's actually going to be in New York while we're there, which is really exciting. If anyone wants to take us, I'll go around too. So now it's snack time. Oh, fuck. It's snack time. Daniel always gets the best PR because it's like food PR, and it's food that we don't get in Canada PR. So chomps, shout out to you for sending Daniel 1,000,001 chomps because we love chomps, and they're honestly like the best thrifting on the go snack because you can just leave them in the car. And I need some fuel. The thrift store wasn't crazy, but the mall is gonna be crazy. At Aritzia. We're gonna test it out, and I have to film it for my phone obviously as well, because am I living under a rock? Have they been doing this for a while? I don't really know. So honestly, I'm really excited to try these. Very healthy, very fresh, very affordable. You know, I was thinking that was gonna be dry, but that's not dry at all. 10 out of 10 Aritzia. They should do those in like different flavors. I would definitely come back. Now I'm gonna use my wisps. This is what TikTok doesn't see because I don't want to be judged, but this feels like a safe space. So I just happened to be by another Value Village, and since I didn't find a leather jacket, we're popping in here. But I don't think I'm going to take a cart because I don't want to be here very long, and I didn't bring my coffee, so. Maybe? Oh wait, the mirror is weird. I'll probably take these, but I just got here, so can I? Okay, we love a little thrift tip. This woman just advised me to go to Bulk Barn and get their laundry detergent that's like in bulk. She says it gets like anything out of white, so let me know if you do it before I do. Again, really good haul. That vibe was way more summery, springy vacation energy, but I got some really cute accessories. Me when I'm too caffeinated to myself. Okay, I gotta go to the grocery store and pick up a prescription. I smell like a Jenner now. This girl is up to no good, you guys. Roll the tapes. Video. I don't want to be super repetitive. If you guys want a full video on how I make like t-shirts and stuff like that, just let me know and we'll do it. But essentially I'm going to be taking this t-shirt, which is the Uniqlo woman's mini short sleeve t-shirt, like the perfect fitting 90s tee in my opinion, in black, and we're going to be transforming it into a graphic t-shirt with my Cricut. So hopefully my measurements are right. This one took a long time because you guys are going to see it's like star font. But yeah, I've got to cut this, and then we're gonna peel, and then we're gonna stick. So really all I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna show this, I'm literally just gonna iron on the transfer, and that will be that. Happy Olivia Rodrigo Day! So I just did my hair, and by just, I mean like an hour ago, so we've just been chilling, but they were supposed to send over some products, but I think because I got more of a last minute invite, I didn't get the products. But essentially, I don't know if I've said this, but I'm going to Olivia Rodrigo in Toronto with OPI and Nexxus. And OPI is like my favorite. Their press-on nails are game-changing. I used them for my birthday last week. Had to get them off my nails. And sorry, I'm out of breath. It's because I'm getting my period, which hopefully does not come with the concert. I need to like stay on point in the vlogs. Anyways, didn't use the Nexxus products because they didn't have them, but they're going to be doing like hair touch-ups there. We're essentially going to like a hotel suite way before the concert starts, so I'm really curious. I think it's gonna be like a fun girly pre, I know a couple girls going, but I don't know everyone, so it should be really nice. But yeah, I just kind of went blowout straight with my hair. I feel like Olivia's hair is very simple, so I kind of want to go for just something like that. I'm going to try and film a little get ready with me for like Instagram, so I don't know how much I'm going to film here because I find usually the clips just get a little bit boring, but I'll definitely show the final outfit on and like preing and doing the nails and everything, because I feel like that will be more fun for you guys to see than long ass clips of just stuff. But let me know like in the comments for future vlogs what you guys prefer. If it's just chatty shit like this, little product reviews. I've been using this. I think it's new. It does say new on it, so it must be new. And there's so many different uses for it, so I've been using it all over. It's really good on the lips as well. Oh yeah, and I just brought our Sonos upstairs. I look like an old woman. Because I never really listen to music when I'm getting ready, which is maybe weird and not cool of me, but I am in my car at least like 2 hours every single day. And whenever I'm in my car, I'm listening to music. Sometimes a podcast if I'm just like not in the mood, but usually it's always music. So that's when I get my fix in personally. And at home, I kind of just like quiet, chill vibes. But we're gonna put on some music, of course, to get in the spirit. Daniel's also not home, so I feel like I won't be bothering him. Sometimes, you know, one of us is working and music isn't always the most ideal. But yeah, let's put it on and let's get going. Crunch time. Why won't you turn on? These are the last minute bits that TikTok does not see. I need to figure out a jacket, even though like jacket's not main importance here. It's also super nice outside. But this is the ensemble. I'm feeling a little Y2K, so I'm like, do I put a longer coat? Oh yeah, so I look a little sophisticated, more my age, and it covers my butt. I kind of like that. I wish this mirror was still a light mirror. Our options, little options. This one, short. My sister has my motor jacket. Oh wait, that looks good. Oh, okay, I really wish I could have tanned my legs. There's so many things I wish I could have done. But it's fine. I also feel like I'm gonna get my period when we get there. Oh, okay, this one kind of goes. And I'm like, I didn't think this was gonna be the one to go. It's nice, it's a little bit longer. Last option, denim. Because the skirt is kind of denim. Who am I talking to right now? Oh, that one's a hard no. Okay, I'm gonna call my Uber so that I have to make a decision. Let's just do it. Maybe my sister will answer me if I send her a pic. But yeah, it's between this one and the long one, I think. Oh, we're still recording here. Shit! Okay, getting in the Uber. Yeah. That's sick. Oh wait, oh I didn't realize in the colors of bubble bath. Okay guys, we're deciding between two nails. Lincoln Park After Dark or these, which might be hard for me to text in again because they remind me of my birthday nails. Ripped off, I had to gel. Thankfully, I'm a seasoned veteran at this stuff, so let's see how long it takes me to do my nails. Start time 4:22. Less than 10 minutes. Okay, does this give We Are Millennial at Olivia Rodrigo? I really hope she brings out like Avril.
Oh my god.
Because I was thinking if you do 2 nights, you can't, no, but you can't bring someone out the first night because then you have to bring them out again the second night. And then it's awkward and people are mad if you don't. But like, I feel like 2 surprise guests, like that's hard, you know?
Nice bag.
Maybe black?
Yeah. Now we have some bag.
Yeah. I'm surprised my voice is not more gone, but I could definitely use a shower and a chomp right now because there were no gluten-friendly, that's okay, options there in the booth. And I ate some of it, but my stomach instantly felt bad, so I tried to avoid it. But I'm pretty hungry because we were up dancing. Let's see if like jumping around counts as steps. Let's see. I don't think it does. Anyways, it was so much fun. I shed a tear at one point because I was like, this reminds me of being at Avril when I was too little to even remember, but I feel like this is what I would have felt like if I was little. And there were so many young girls there with their moms. It was so cute. And honestly, it was such a good show. She did an amazing job. So if you're thinking of going, definitely go. You will not regret it. I'm really glad I got to go with Rachel and Tara. It was so much fun. And OPI, Nexxus, the real ones, obviously, like, would not have been there without them. So that's all I really gotta say, guys. I'm kind of winded, kind of out of breath. I have to do a workout tomorrow because we're going to New York next weekend. So I've got to get on my grind again. But on that note, kiss with my beef stick, my chomp. I hear Goji playing with a ping pong ball. Where did that come from? Good night.